If you want to study in Portugal, here in this video, I'm going to show you all you need to know about the Portugal Government Scholarship, which is open for Bachelor, Masters, and PhD program. This is a fully funded scholarship opportunity. It will cover food, tuition fee, living expenses, stipend, and other benefits like healthcare coverage. Watch along and show you what's up to the end of this video so that you can take note of all the necessary steps you need to follow in order for you to apply for this fully funded scholarship. And in this video, I'm going to review some of the vital information you need to put at the back of your mind once you are interested to apply for this fully funded opportunity. So you can see on your screen, we have the application for scholarship for the 2025-2026 academic year, which is open. This is scholarship for higher education students who wish to study in autumn 2026 for either undergraduate or postgraduate study opportunity. Here we have the application deadlines, application portal, and you can as well visit the frequently asked questions. And here we have the application deadlines. The application deadline is 30th of September 2025. Meanwhile, additional 20 working days will be given to those who have registered on the DEG portal before the application closing date. So here you need to pay close attention and then walk along with me as I show you all you need to know about this scholarship. Here we have applying for higher education scholarship, and this scholarship is awarded for the entire academic year and are typically paid monthly in 10 installments. So put this at the back of your mind. What you need to know as well, you can access your student area on the DGES portal. This application is totally free. You don't need to pay a dime. But before you click on the apply now button, there are some certain things you need to know why you intend to apply for this scholarship. Those who are eligible to apply for this scholarship, you must have completed your secondary school or high school before you can apply for bachelor. Likewise, you must have completed bachelor for master's program to apply for a PhD program. This also is very competitive, which requires you to apply with a strong grade. Language proficiency. Now, this is very important. For the language proficiency, you must provide English language proficiency, which means that they want to confirm if you are fluent in English. If this is not the case, you can also apply for courses that are taught in Portuguese language. You can provide the Portuguese proficiency language for them to confirm you are fluent in the Portuguese language. So there must be something you have to show in order for you to have an upper edge in your application, either the English proficiency certifications or the Portuguese proficiency certification. So the degree program, you must hold qualifications to that are not above the one you are applying for or higher than the one you intend to apply. You must have completed high school to apply for bachelor. You must have completed bachelor to apply for masters, and you must have completed master to apply for PhD. For PhD program, a clear research proposal and relevant experience are needed. So all you need to do is that all you need to do in order for you to apply is that you need to go through Portuguese universities, browse the list of courses that you can apply, and check for the mode of instructions. So you need to go through the list of Portuguese universities and also check the programs that are taught either in English language or in Portuguese language. So once you secure a conditional admission early through the university portal or the DGS link system, then you can go ahead to apply for the scholarship. So in this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step, although not in details, but I'm going to put you in line with what you need to do. Looking ahead, I will list the documents required. So you have to put together all these documents before you begin your application. First thing is that you need your passport, international passport. In the personal statement, you need to include why you choose Portugal as the destination in order for you to continue your study, the intended program, why you choose this program, the motivation behind selecting the program of your choice. Also, you need to include how the scholarship will help you in your educational career path. So include all this information in your personal statement. Then your language certificate, IELTS, TOEFL, or any Portuguese or Portuguese equivalents. So you need to provide these certifications. So for them to confirm if you are fluent in English or Portuguese language. You need your CV, an updated CV. Apart from that, you need a motivation letter, a research proposal for master's and PhD programs only. You need 2 letters of recommendation, and if required, you might also attach proof of financial need. So to apply for Portugal Government Scholarship, here is what you need to do. Click on this course and institution. So it will redirect you to this page where you need to select the courses, type in the name of the course you intend to apply. So let's assume you are applying for, let's assume I want to apply for Bachelor in Applied Languages. So I'm just going to search applied language. So let me type applied languages. So I'm just going to click on enter. And here I have a list of universities that offer this course. So I'm going with the University of Porto. So all I need to do is for me to go through the official website of the University of Porto and apply for this course, which is applied languages. So I'm just going to head over to the university portal. So let me just type University of Porto application portal. So I'm clicking uh this, or I can just, so once I click on the second option, it will redirect me to this page. So I can click on study, and under study we have list of courses here under bachelor and integrated master degree. We have master degree and doctorate degree. So, but I'm interested in master degree. I'll click on master degree. Note that each course has its own deadline. It will be specified on the course details. So I'm going to search apply languages. So since I can't find applied languages, so I'm going to make use of this master degree in art in translation and languages service. So once I click on this, it will redirect me to this page. So all I need to do is to click learn more. So here you will see the details, which include the objective, field of specialization, and other information. So you scroll down and you see I want to apply. Just like I told you, each course has their own specific deadline date. So you have to check if it is still open. So the next phase, which is the third phase, is open. So I'm just going to click on admission second cycle of study, then third cycle, this link. Here we have the deadline dates. The deadline date for this is 7th. The deadline date for this is 25th of July. And to apply, all this information will be required, which is your full name, gender, country, nationality, marital status, date of birth, identity card, and the rest. So once you are ready to apply, you click submit an application, and the number of vacancy that is open is 26. So you can see apply right now. You click on submit an application. All you need to do is apply for admission. So here is what you need. You need to fill this user request form. Click on this user request form. So here you begin your application. If you are using identity or passport, the identity number, the name, email, confirm email, gender, taxpayer number. This is for Portuguese. So I don't think this is required for international students. So fill in this information and create a temporary user. So so you are required to log in with your temporary user ID and password here. And after doing that, you will be required to fill in all the information in the previous page. So you'll be required to fill in all this information. All this information will be required during the application for admission. So once you have applied for admission and then they have been given a conditional offer, then all you need to do is to head over to the Portuguese Government Scholarship, apply online. Once you apply for admission, Once you apply for admission and you have been given conditional offer, so you will be given user code and keyword, which is like username and password. So this is your student reserve area where you need to enter your user code and password. Then you begin your registration for scholarship. So in summary, all you need to do is, once you meet the eligibility requirement, you check for the course and the institution that offer this course, check the mode of instruction. After that, you need to head over to the university portal, apply for admission, and ensure you have been given admission, and ensure you have been given a conditional admission. With your details, with your student details, log in to the DGES portal, enter this username and password, and begin your application properly for scholarships. So once you enter your username and password, you'll be able to select the university that have given you the conditional admission offer and apply for scholarship separately. So this is how to apply for a fully funded Portugal Government Scholarship for international students. If you want more videos like this, ensure you like, share, and check the description of this video for the application link, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.